Good. Very good, very good. Good answer are coming. Okay. Before solving this, first we will solve this one with another method. Okay. Today we solved it with the basic method. Now we will solve with the another method. Now look it very carefully. The average of the list of 10 numbers is 15. So suppose these are 10 numbers and their average is 15. What does it mean? Average means, remember one thing, average means quantity equally distributed. Quantity equally distributed. If the average of 10 number is 15, it means, if suppose I am saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if average of 10 number is 15, it means each number contains 15. This is simply average mean, because average means the quantity is equally distributed. Okay. So what is saying that the average of 10 number is 15. If other number 48 is added to the list, suppose I am adding one number, that is 11th number. You tell me one thing. If this number is also 15, does it affect on the average? No. The average will remain 15. But how much I am adding? I am adding 48. This is not 15. How much I am adding? 48. Now you tell me one thing. The average of 10 number is 15. The 11 number is how much greater than the average? If total average is 15 of the group, it means 11 contain 33 more than the average. Not 23, 33. Yes, 33. It means the 11 number, if I can write it like that, 15 plus 33. So it means the total group will get profit with that 33. The total group will be benefited this 33. So this 33 will distribute it among all the 11s. This 33 distributed among all the 11s. So if I have distributed 33 in 11, then how much each and everyone get? Plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, and so on, plus 3. So it means my old average was 15, my new average became 18. Okay, this 11 number is added to the list. It is 48. It is 48. Listen, these are the 10 number. The average of 10 number is 15. Now what I am adding? I am adding one number. What is 11th number? This 11 number is 48. You tell me one thing. How much it is greater than average? It is 33 more than average. It means these 33 equally distributed among the odds. 33 divided by 11 means plus 3. So each and everyone will be benefited with plus 3. So old average was 15. So new average will become 15 plus 3. That will be equal to 18. That will be your answer. Okay. Now we will do this question with both concept. First we will use the basic method. The average of 5 basketball player is 18 years. So this, suppose these are 5 basketball players and their average is 18 years. Write this formula. Average is equal to sum to the total number. If average is 18, then what will be the sum? You know very well, sum is equal to average into number. So average is 18 and number is 5. So sum will be equal to 19. Sum is equal to 19. If they include their captain, now their captain is include. So if captain is include, now total member will become 6 and their average become 18 years 3 months. So average become 18 year 3 months. Before calculation, please convert month into the years. You know very well, in a year there are 12 months. In a year there are 12 months. So if I convert month into the year, so month is equal to, there are 3 months. So what it will equal to? 3 divided by 12 means 1 divided by 4 year. So I can write 18 year 3 month. Don't do that, please. 18 year, 18 is to 1 by 4 year. Okay. Eighteen is to 1 by 4 year. And you are the postgraduate student. Please don't do that. We have like a child now. You are all our postgraduate student. 18 is to 1 by 4 year. So what will be the sum? Simplify it. 18 is to 1 by 4. What I can write it? 73 divided by 4. Okay. So what will be the sum? Sum is equal to average into the number. So average is 73 divided by 4. And what is my number? Number is 6. So 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja. So what it will be? If you will simplify it, you will get 109.5. Okay. Which part I repeat? First look at, oh, okay, I will repeat. So, so what is their age of the captain? So age of captain is equal to 109.5 minus 90. That will be equal to 19.5. That will be your answer. Okay. Okay, I am repeating once again. This is the 18 year 3 month. 18 year 3 month. So you just convert it into the year. So to make your calculation, easy. So 3 month equal to, you know very well, in 12 month is equal to 1 year. 12 month is equal to 1 year. So 1 month is equal to 1 divided by 12, and 3 month is equal to into 3. So it's equal to 1 by 4 year. So you can write this 18 year 3 month is equal to 18 is to 1 divided by 4 years. Simple. Now this is your average, or you can write it like that, 18 is to 1 by 4 years. Or further simplified, this is equal to 73 divided by 4 year. This is your average of how many? 6 member. Okay, now 5 basketball player and their captain. So if I, and what do you mean? Oh, sum is equal to average into number. So average is equal to 73 divided by 4, and number is equal to 6. Simplify it. 2 3 ja, 2 4 ja, 1.5, 109.5. Okay. The sum of 6 member was 109.5, and the 5 member was 90. So what will be the age of their captain? 19.5. This was the basic method. And now we will solve with the another method. There were 5 basketball players. Okay. And what is their average? Their average is 18 years. Now what happened? Their captain is included. If I am including their captain, now they become 6. And now average become 18 year 3 month. You tell me how much average is my increase? My average is increased by 3 months. My average is increased by 3 months, because earlier it was 18 year, now it became 18 year 3 months. So my average is increasing by 3 months. Okay. If average is increased by 3 months, then what will be the total age increased? Simply use this formula, average is equal to sum divided by number. If my average is increased by 3 months, and now sum, I have to calculate the sum. What is the number? Number is 6. Sum is equal to 3 into 6. 18 month. Remember one thing, these are month. And if I convert month into the year, then it become 1.5 year. If 12 month is equal to 1 year, 1 month is equal to 1 by 12 year, and then 18 month is equal to, if you simplify it, then it is equal to 18 month or 1.5 year. You can write it. Now finish. What is asking? What the age of the captain? So their age of captain will be 18 plus 1.5 year. That is equal to 19.5 year. Because average is increased by 3 months. If average is increased by 3 months, then total age will be increased by 1.5 year. So this total age what is increased due to, just because of their captain. Because captain taking captain age was 1.5 year more than the 5th member. So captain age was 19.5 year. Just because of this 1.5, the average of the each member was increased by 3 months. Okay, very simple. Okay, if any doubt, please ask me. No doubt. Now do it. Twenty minutes has been passed and still we have finished one question. Make it fast, man. Make it fast. Yeah, very good. Come on, come on. Very good, very good. Now look, the average weight of 19 student. These were 19 student and their average is 15 kg. If average is 15 kg, then sum of the weight is equal to 19 into 15. That is equal to 285 kg. By the admission of one new student, if one student came to the group, then student became 20 and the average weight is reduced to 14.8 kg. Now the average weight is 14.8 kg. If average weight is 14.8, now what is the sum of the weight? Sum of the weight you know very well. Average into number. It will become 296. So he's asking about the weight of the new student. So weight of new student, that is equal to subtract 285 minus 296 minus 285. That is equal to 11. That will be your answer. And second method. What are their average? 15 kg. If one more student add, then the average become 14.8 kg. You tell me the average is decreased by 0.2 kg. 0.2 kg because 14 and 14. So average is decreased by 2.2 kg. If average is decreased by 2 kg, then total weight is decreased by. You know very well how to calculate total average into number. So average is 0.2 and total number now became 20. Don't multiply with 19 is equal to 20. That is equal to 4 kg. So if earlier weight was 15 kg, so total weight is decreased by 4 kg. That will be equal to 11 kg. Write down one question. The average weight of class of 24 student is 35 kg. If their teacher weight is included, then average is increased by 400 gram. Then find the weight of teacher. Then weight of teacher will be. Come on, do it. The average weight of class of 24 student is 35 kg. If their teacher weight is included, the average is increased by 400 gram. Then the weight of teacher will be. Very good, very good. Option 1 first. Option are on the screen. You can use the options. Rather than writing the whole option, you can use just option like 1, 2, 3, 4. No need to type the whole answer. This is similar like that previous, but here average is increasing in the last place average is decreasing. Good, good, good. Very good. You are doing good, very good. Each and every day. I want everyone should try, please. You can learn only if you will try, okay? So please try. Don't stop trying. Doesn't matter whether you are getting right one or wrong one, but at least try. 20 more seconds. Time up, time up. First method, basic method. The average weight of class of 24 student, 35 kg. If average is 35 kg, then total weight is equal to, you just simplify, simply just multiply average with the numbers. 840 kg. So total weight of the 24 student is 840 kg. Now what is happened? If their teacher is included, now I am including the teacher. So if teacher is including, now the total number will become 25. And by the introduction of the teacher, the average is increased by 400 gram. What it means? The new average become 34.4 kg. Just convert gram into the kg, divide by 1000. So it will be equal to zero point 0.4 kg. 1 gram is 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So now the total weight is equal to average multiply by number. So number is 25. So it will be equal to 885. So the weight of teacher equal to 885 minus 840. That will be equal to 45 kg. Okay, I need to rub this because due to lack of this space. So I need to rub this. Now second one. What is the average of first 24 student? 35 kg. And 25 student is means their teacher is included 34.4 kg. My average is increasing by zero point 0.4 kg. Zero point 0.4 kg. If average is increasing by zero point 0.4 kg, then total weight is increased by, you know very well, total weight is equal to average multiply number. So now multiply with 25, do not 24. Because this zero point 0.4 average is equally distributed among 24. What I told you, average means quantity is equally distributed. So this zero point 0.4 equally distributed among these 24. If this zero point 0.4 equally distributed among 25, then total how much weight is in 10 kg. It means the teacher weight is 10 kg more than 35 kg. So teacher weight is equal to teacher weight is equal to 35 plus 10. That is equal to 45 kg. Because teacher weight is 10 kilogram more than the average weight. That's why they're in. That's why the average is increasing by zero point 0.4 kg. You can simply check. If I divide 10 divided by 25, so it will come out to be zero point 0.4 kg. Zero point 0.4, okay. So it means my average is increasing by 0.4. Very simple. Do it. Come on, make it fast, man, make it fast. Today we are explaining this way. You need to accelerate, okay? Just put your foot on the acceleration pattern and increase your speed. 26. 24. Priya, how you get 24? 26. Very good. Raki. And, check your calculation, Priya. Yes, yes, yes. 26, right. Lots of good. Good, good. Lots of 25. 25 is not in the option. 26. Come on. There are 41, 40 students live and only 5 to 6 are answering. Don't worry, don't worry. No need to say. Okay, 6 years. Okay, now look at the solution. What is saying that a batsman scored 98 runs in his 19th inning, thus increases average by 4. Suppose I am assuming, I don't know about how much is average, so I am assuming he is scoring, suppose Virat Kohli is scoring X run per inning. If he is scoring X run per inning, that is his average, okay? Average is nothing but run divided by inning. Average is run divided by inning. So what is, he scored 98 run in his 19th inning. So suppose I told you these are total inning what he had played 19 inning. Okay. If he score X run in the 19th inning, that then his average after 19th inning will remain be X. Okay. But what he is doing now? He is scoring 98 run in his 19th inning. He is not scoring X, he is scoring 98 run. And thus increases his average by 4. Now his average is not X. Now it became X plus 4. This is the case. I am assuming X run per inning. If he score X run per inning every inning, then his average was remain X. But what he is doing? In his 19th inning, he is not scoring X, he is scoring 98. When he scored 98, thus increases his average by X plus 4 to make the equation. If he is scoring X run per inning, then how many run he has scored in the 18th inning? 18X. If he is scoring X run per inning, then the total scored in 18th inning, 18X. Plus in 19th inning, how much is scoring? 98 run. So these are the total run of the 19th inning. These are the run of the 19th inning till 19th inning. Okay. If these are the total run, then what will be the average? Divided by 19. This is the average of their 19 inning. And after scoring 98 run in his 19th inning, so what is happening? His average is increasing by. Okay. So now solve it. 18x plus 98, 98 plus 76, 19x minus 18x is equal to 98. This is 98. X is equal to 22. X is 22. It means old average was 22 and the new average was X plus 4. That is equal to 26. That will be. Now, this was the first method, basic method. Now, second method. Suppose A 1, 2, 3, 4, 18, 19. Okay. First, I am assuming his average is X. Okay. That his average is X of the 19. But what is happening? In 98 inning, he is scoring 98 runs. Thus, his average is increased by 4. What does it mean? If average is increased by 4, it means in each inning he is scoring X plus 4 run. He is scoring 4 run extra. This is the meaning, na? If that increases average by 4, it means in every inning he is scoring x plus 4. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. These are the 19. So what is doing? In his first inning, he is scoring x plus 4, second x plus 4, third x plus 4, second x plus 4. So till 19, he is scoring x plus 4. Okay. Now you tell me one thing. In each inning, how much he is scoring more? In each inning, he is scoring plus 4 and extra. And total inning, how much he played? 19 inning. Each inning he is scoring 4 and extra. So in 19 inning, how much he has scored extra? 4 into 19. It means 76. If each inning he is scoring 4 run extra, so 19th inning he is scoring 76 run extra. What does it mean? It means in the 19th inning, he is scoring 76 run extra. Total run he has scored in 90th inning. 98, but he is scoring 76 run extra. Means he is scoring 76 run extra. Means he had to score 72, but he is scoring 98. Means he is scoring 76 run extra. Just because of these 76 run, average is increased by 4. Because in his 98 inning, he is scoring 76 run extra, and because of this 76 run, his average is increased by 4. So now what is 22 means? 22 means it old average. And what is new average? 22 plus 4. That is 26. He has to score 22, 22 in each inning. Like that. 22, 22, 22, 22. 18th inning. In 19th inning, if he scored 22 runs, then his average will remain 22. But in his 19th inning, he is not scoring 22. He is scoring 98 runs. As he is scoring 98 runs, what is happening? His average is increasing by 4. So how much he is increasing? How much run he is scoring more? 76 run. And just because of this 76 run, his inning average is increased by. Okay. So old average was 22, so new average became 26. Do next one, then picture will be more clear. If any doubt, please ask me. Okay, don't hesitate. I will explain. Because at this level you need to be hesitant. Okay. I will explain 2 times, 3 times. Okay. So don't worry. You can ask me. Because very good. Good job. Rakhi, very good. 145, very good. Read the question, very good. His average after 12 minutes. Now you are getting. Very good, very good. Rakhi can see what. Come on, man. There is no difference between this question and the last one. Both are same. Perfect. Both are same. Good. What is doing that? A batsman has a certain average in of his 11 innings. So I am assuming X. Okay. So in his 12 inning, he is scoring 91. So if he played in 11 inning, if X his average is X run per inning, then the total run scored till total run of the 11 inning equal to the 11x. So 11x in 12 inning he is scoring 91. So plus 90. So these are the total run of the 12th inning. Total run of 12th up to 12th inning. Okay. So if these are the total runs, then average of the 12th inning, average will be 11x plus 90 divided by 12. And now his average is decreased by 5. So it 11x plus 90, 12x minus 60, 12x minus 11x is equal to 150, x is equal to 150. X is equal to 150 means this was his original average. But now his average is decreased by 5. So his new average will be 150 minus 5, that is equal to 145. Second method. I am assuming that his average is A run, okay? A run per inning. And what is happening now? When he score 90 running in his 12th inning, when he score 90 run. So due to this 90 run, what is happening? There is decrease is average by 5. So I told you average is nothing but is the quantity equally distributed. It means earlier he was scoring A, now he is scoring A minus 5, A minus 5, A minus 5. Until how many inning he is scoring A minus 5? Of 12th inning, okay. So in each inning he is scoring 5 run less. In each inning he is scoring 5 run less. So in 12th inning how much he has scoring? 12 into 5 means 60 run less. He is scoring 60 run less. Okay. So in his 19th inning he scored 90 run. But he is scoring 60 run less. It means if he scored 60 more run, then his average there will be no effect on his average. But in his 19th inning he is scoring 90 run. He is scoring 90 run. How much less? 60 run. So now 150. 150 was his original average and new average will be 145. Okay. If he score 150 run in each inning, if he score 150 run in his 12th inning, then there will be no effect on the average. But in his 12th inning, he is not scoring 150. He is scoring 90 run. How much less than the average? Minus 60. And this minus 60 is suffered by the whole group. And whole group is equal to 12. So minus 5. So average is decreased by 5. Okay. Write down one homework question. A batsman has certain average of the 60th innings. In its 17th inning, he scores 87 runs, thus increases his average by 3 runs. Find his average after 17th inning. A batsman has certain average of 16th inning. In his 17th inning, he scores 87 runs. Thus increases his average by 3 runs. Find his average after the 17th inning. So this is your homework. Okay. So we will meet on Monday. We will meet on Monday. Okay.